Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.